Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Clearing by Sydney. I've got this Porsche Cayenne that I showed before some diagnostic videos. Covered I think like yesterday or the day before. Just want to show you that I just had to strip down this part here. It's a big panel there, go see. There's two screws on top and one going that way. See that one there? There's one there, one here, and one there, and then you pull it out. The reason why we pull it out so we can run the actual brake booster line, which goes to here. I've got a new seal as well, brand new seal in there. So every time you do this job, make sure you replace that seal. And this is the actual brake booster line that comes to the bottom. See how it's brand new? It comes and then it comes to here. Alright? That's the only way you can do it. And then if you look closely, I'm going to remove the engine. This is the engine computer. I'm going to remove it and I'm going to check out the actual PSM plug, because sometimes on the PSM plugs, which is your ABS control unit, that sits just there. See that where all the pipes are going into? That one there is your plug there. That's the plug there. So I usually have to actually unplug it and have a look at the plug and clean it before I put it back on, because sometimes they have corrosion. At the same time, if you do a service on the Cayenne, make sure that you get a vacuum cleaner and clean all that. So when we do a service, we do all that. We clean it. Sometimes a little drain plug down there at the bottom, like a grommet, I take it off and throw it in the bin. So you have a bigger hole like that. So when there's water in here, the water will go straight out. Because if you use a factory one will clog up and actually block and create a lot of problem, unnecessary problems. So especially in Australia, there's a lot of. It's not like in Europe. In Australia, there's a lot of trees and stuff. And the weather in Australia is hot and cold. You can have -4 in the morning and 40 degrees at night. So unpredictable. So you gotta actually look after. That's why all the plastic stuff in Australia and all the Australian cars are all crumbled and stuff because it's the heat. Yeah. So make sure you do that every time you take this panel off. To do that, have a look at the actual PSM ABS brake plug. If it's rusted or start to corrode, just get some CO cleaner or contact cleaner. Clean it all up properly before you actually assemble this. Otherwise, your job like this, might as well check it while you're there. Alright? So I've got my parts here. I'll show you which one was broken. It's that one there. If you look at that one there, see? It's already broken on the corner there, pretty bad. Alright? That's broken. So this is the part number there as well, so you want to look for that part number. And that little hose there for the vacuum pump. That goes from the vacuum pump to the actual booster line, which connects to that one there. That's the part number for it. That one there. Alright. I'll put that back. And the little grommet. That's the old one. The little grommet for the actual that's the grommet for the actual brake booster. If you're looking for that one as well, there's the part number. Alright. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.